Hey Lord of the Rings, Hobbit fans and fellow YouTubers, Alfred Price here. Welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel. Today I have another mini epic I'd like to show you, and it is Bilbo Baggins from when he was in The Hobbit. And I love the mini epic line. It is very, very cool, as you can see here. I just love these art boxes. And I never noticed that. They have articulated things on the side of on the side of the box, as I just saw here. And this is again the Bilbo Baggins limited edition. So he's holding his teacup and plate, and let's open her right out of the box here for you. And I'm so excited about this one. So let's show you here. I love these. I have quite a few already. I have a few of them, not a lot, but I have for my collection. I plan to get more. I always like to see if I can get a little bit of a deal on them, because they have gone up in price in them. Just like that. And then bring this a little closer. This is very, very cool. Like I said, I love these little guys, and they're just so cute. They're really, really cool and fun to look at, and just to have a fun little collection of these small little figures, and where they're unique and all that. They're not like the Funko Pops, where the Funko Pops are like all the heads are all blocked. Where these ones, they're just, I find a lot better myself, because they have more character to say. And no, I really love this, and it looks like he's having his tea time right before bed. He has his robe on. Really, really cool. I'm going to show you some close-ups of this right now. So, yeah, because I think this is really, really cool. So, let's show you some close-ups now. So you can see he's holding his teacup with his plate. Very, very cool. I like his facial expression. Really cool. And his robe. Just a real cool piece. I like the design on his teacup. I like that a lot. That's cool. You can see all the patches on his robe there. And then even the robe has a little bit of a design on it. In the patches itself. And the hair is pretty cool. I love Hobbits. They're so cool. Yeah, so this is Bilbo Baggins. Mini epic from The Hobbit. Just to show you where I put him, right beside Gollum. And this is an updated display of my mini epics that I have. So you can see I got my wizards all together, the trio, those guys down there, Boromir. But really cool, I have all my hobbits together up top, with the Balrog up top, with the Orc and Uruk-hai, and the Witch King. Really, really cool. I am gonna be adding more. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video of Bilbo Baggins, the mini epic limited edition. Like and subscribe. Have a great day. Comment down below what you guys thought of this. And see you guys in the next video. I got lots more stuff coming up.